welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a very quick and impromptu video because if you can't tell by the title, free dining for fall of 2018 at Walt Disney World was released today. I actually am a little surprised that they do still offer it, so if you can get the free dining while you can, I would try for it. I am a travel agent that specializes in Disney destinations, so if you need any help booking your trip, please contact me. All of my information is down below. It does not cost you anything extra to book with me. I'm going to give you the same price with me as if you would book it directly on your own, but you get my help and guidance. And let me tell you, when these promotions come out, it is kind of like madness. You're on hold for hours, the websites are crashing, nothing seems to work, there seems to be nothing available, but that is when a good travel agent would come in handy. Again, I just want to point out that this is all based on availability, so even if you have a trip during those dates, your resort that you're staying at may not be included, or they might not have any free dining rooms left during that time, because they do only allot a certain amount of rooms for their promotions. So even though they say Caribbean Beach has free dining, there might not be any rooms left, but like a good travel agent would do, they would keep checking for you. But now I'm going to get back into what resorts you can stay at to get free dining. I do want to point out that October is completely blacked out from free dining. They are not offering any free dining in October of this year, which just means that October is becoming more and more busy and more popular, so Disney doesn't have a need to offer free dining anymore. And we kind of all knew that that was coming. You may be eligible for free dining for most nights August 20th through September 29th, and then we skip over October. November only has November 24th through November 27th for free dining. And then moving on to December, it's December 7th through December 23rd. Now, if you're staying at a value or a moderate resort, you are going to be eligible to get the free quick service dining plan. The quick service dining plan includes 2 counter service meals per night of your stay per person, 2 snacks per night per person, and a refillable mug for your resort per person. These do not include table service meals. If you want to use the dining plan for your table service meals, which are reservation meals, you're going to have to pay the difference to upgrade if you're staying at a value or a moderate. So let me tell you which values and moderates are included, because some of them are not. So for your values, you have All-Star Music and All-Star Sports, you have Pop Century, and you have Art of Animation. The Little Mermaid rooms at Art of Animation are not included. They usually never are included for any discount, but the family suites are. So that's your Cars suites, your Lion King suites, and your Nemo suites at Art of Animation. Those do have the free dining. So then for your moderates, there's Coronado Springs or Caribbean Beach or the cabins at Fort Wilderness. You may notice that Port Orleans French Quarter and Riverside are excluded. Those resorts do not have free dining. And when I said that you could upgrade to get your table service credits, I'm meaning that when you're staying at a value or moderate and you get free dining, you're only getting the quick service plan. So you can pay the difference and upgrade to the next level dining plan, which they call the Disney dining plan, and that one does include your table service meals. So you're getting your free quick service when you are staying at a value or a moderate, and if you wanted the regular Disney dining plan, you can pay the difference and upgrade to that. Deluxe resorts and deluxe villa resorts will get that regular dining plan, which they call the Disney dining plan. This one does include table service meals, but there are some villas and there are some deluxe resorts that are not included in free dining, so I will let you know which ones those are, and that's going to be Animal Kingdom Lodge, Beach Club, Boardwalk, Grand Floridian, and Yacht Club. Those will all have free dining, and it will be the Disney dining plan. As far as your villas go, you have Animal Kingdom villas at the Jumbo House, Animal Kingdom villas at Kidani Village, Beach Club villas, Boardwalk villas, Old Key West, and Saratoga Springs. You may notice that like the Polynesian is not included, or the Wilderness Lodge. Also, to get your free dining, you are going to need to have park hoppers included in your stay. So you cannot get free dining if you only have base tickets, which will get you into 1 park per day. You need to have the park hoppers, which will get you into multiple parks per day. So that's just something to remember, that you do need the hoppers if you want free dining. Free dining can kind of be tricky. when these promotions come out, the websites crash, the phone lines are tied up, people are booking and putting holds on rooms just because, and then a few days later some of that drops. So don't lose hope, and just because something's not showing availability on day one of free dining, then just keep checking, and that is what a travel agent will also do for you. Sometimes you might come to the point where there is no availability at your resort for free dining, but you really want that free dining. A good travel agent will then look further and try to put you at another resort if you're okay with that, because sometimes even upgrading from a value to a moderate can still save you money when free dining comes out. And that's why it's so popular, because it can save you money. You probably have to be flexible with your dates, because a few dates may show no availability, but if you can be flexible and change, then there might be availability. So it kind of seems like madness on the day when free dining comes out, but like I said, don't lose hope. Let your travel agent take charge. That is why I am here. So if you are interested in free dining, just let me know, and I will be more than happy to send you a free quote, and we can get you booked and see what's available. Because if you can get free dining, it is a big savings, especially if you do enjoy the dining plan. And I always recommend the dining plan if you have a lot of character meals planned or table service meals, because those can get pricey. And even if you just get the quick service meal plan, then you don't even have to budget for your food costs while you're on vacation, right? So yeah, that's it. Free dining is out. If you can get it, that is great. I would love to try to help apply free dining to your reservation. I think it is a great savings if you can get it, and I gave you the dates that they have for free dining and the resorts that you can stay at and the resorts that are not eligible. I think that's pretty much it. Remember, you need to have park hoppers, and just be patient. If your travel agent tells you that there's no availability today, just be patient, because they are going to continue to check, because like I said, more rooms do open up. Also, a room discount came out. It only goes through October 7th. So even though October doesn't have any free dining, they do have a room discount, but it's only for that first week of October. So if you're interested in a room discount and you want to contact me, I can get you a quote for that. Sometimes when you're staying at a deluxe resort, it is a little better to use a room discount rather than free dining. It just comes out to a better savings. But getting the free Disney dining plan is a pretty big savings in itself. So I will talk to you all later, and I will be back soon, but I just thought that I would come on here real quick and give you a little bit of insight of what's going on in the promotion world, because this is the most popular promotion. And I'm going to get back now to see if that Disney website is working, so I can try to help out some more of my clients. I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.